to day 2 of Securex Facilities Management, A-OSH and Firexpo here at Gallagher Convention Centre. We've had a bumper day.
We enjoy speaking to our clients, getting new clients. There's a lot of stands here, a lot of interesting innovations.
The reception has been pretty good. We find a lot of the visitors to our stand are excited to learn about the new products.
Saitsa hosted their Tech Man of the Year competition. So a wonderful opportunity for the industrial markets here in South Africa to come and see what our industry has to offer on the global stage. Come down, one more day's trade for the 4 shows under one roof. We look forward to seeing you here at Gallagher Estate.